I'm Eva from Shandong LT1012 Machinery. This is our hot cell 1.2-ton excavator. It can be used for farmland, orchard, small construction site, and landscaping, etc. We also accept customization such as cabin, boom swing, track extension, hydraulic pilot operation, logo and color, etc. We also have different accessories for different jobs. It comes with coupe engine. We also have EPA and Euro 5 engine optional. If you have any construction machinery needs, welcome to consult. Thank you for watching.